What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to Sunset Paths. So what my plan today is I'm gonna make a toolbox because I don't really feel like spending on one right now. They're like $700 to like almost $10,000, like the ones from Home Depot, Lowe's, Snap-on, Harbor Freight. So actually the box is already done. I already made it. The only mistake I did was that I hooked up my mic with the wrong wire to my camera, and absolutely everything I recorded has no audio. So this is me just doing the intro all over again. I'm actually in the progress of editing right now, so hopefully this video will be out there very soon. I really hope you guys enjoy this one because I did record like 60 clips with absolutely no audio except the ones that the GoPro recorded. But the way I did the time lapse is the video is going to be pretty self-explanatory. If you guys want to make this box yourself, I will upload the images, the little prints I kind of made myself. I will be putting them up on my Instagram. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, and hope you guys like this video. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe. There's some good stuff coming. I'm going to be working on a lot of things now that I'm off. I got a little projects up my sleeve. Just subscribe and keep notifications on, and you guys will not regret subscribing. Thank you guys, and hope you like the video. Took me 3 days to figure all this out. Well, 3 days, 5 hours each day, but at work, we always do like sawhorses, temporary walls, temporary doors, and we not that we have to, but because of the skill that we have, we do them in like about 30 minutes tops. Temporary walls, not temporary. I mean, the temporary doors, not temporary walls. But let me keep going. I bought this level for, I think it was $50 total at Harbor Freight Tools. You don't need an expensive level to do this, in my opinion. Alright. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see me. This is the base, the bottom part. These are where the wheels are going to get drilled on. I think I should have added some liquid nail or something like that. Nonetheless, it's not going to be in any rough terrain or anything like that. It should be sturdy enough. So now, what I kind of did is that I cut everything an inch smaller on each side because it's supposed to be 24 by 60 and it's 23 by 59. Obviously, because it's going to have half inch here and half inch here. The plywood also here and down there. So now that I got this, let's start doing the walls and all that. The sides, that's what I meant. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so here we are back again. I'm putting in the drawer slides, which were a little complicated because it turns out I placed this one I have a square. So these shelves were falling out. I mean, the drawers were falling in when I was sliding them in. This is gonna suck, guys. Turns out I recorded everything with the mic with the wrong wire. I had a Rode Video Micro, and it had the microphone to phone wire connected to the camera. So you can't hear anything I was trying to explain. Not that I was doing a very good job at it, but oh well. It's gonna have to be a silent video. So, I mean, this is the outcome. All right, so things are starting to look good. I got the first drawer ready. Look at that, yeah. Nice. And that's the cover. I just need to cut down the edges, the other corners. Focus. There we go. Corners. I'm doing with the chop saw since I don't have anything else I can do it with. And things are starting to look good. I got a couple of the pieces of the next drawer ready. I just need to cut the bottom part, and then the last one, it probably won't take long. The only trouble I have is moving that damn plywood around because I don't have any sawhorses. Apparently everybody in town bought all they had in Home Depot, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight. But oh well, I'll just use my small S table and that. And all right, so things are looking good. Hopefully we'll finish this toolbox up soon, and we'll start painting it lime green. All right. Got my shirts in. Look at that. Got the back done too. If everything goes well, and if people like my logo and stuff, I might start selling them. But I guess for now, make sure to follow me, subscribe. Instagram is sunset_paths. YouTube is always Sunset Paths. But thank you for your support. What is going on, everybody? We're back. Finally got the box ready, the toolbox. Yep, there it is. It is ready to get painted. Let me show you the functions it's got right now. So obviously, this little storage area. We got this right here. I'll do this little handle area. I'll shut the tape. There's that. There are the 3 drawers. I can't pull them out right now, obviously, but so we got the top taped up. The top I am gonna do a polyurethane coat, or maybe an epoxy coat. I don't know yet. But the rest is gonna be painted lime green. So hopefully you guys like the outcome. It's not bad for the first time, of doing this. So just let me know what you guys think of it. And we're about to get started. Alright, so here we are, finally painting the drawers. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, the paint's fitting in perfectly. This part's going to be painted green. Here's how the box is turning out. We painted the inside black, as you can see. Looks pretty good. And here is the green first coat. Here's the back part of it. Looks pretty good. There's this little compartment I made. It's probably going to be useless after a while. But so far so good. Obviously I didn't paint that side, the inside, because you're not going to see it once you get the drawers in there. But we are steadily progressing, and let's continue. Okay, so watch. Garage lights. I probably only spent, what was it, 45, 50 bucks on the lights. Try to aim it up real quick. There's those babies right there. Alright, let's keep going with the hardware. Alright everybody, so finally done with it. I was going to put a coat of polyurethane on the top, but I think I'm just going to order some of that fancy epoxy from Ligari or somebody like that. You can see here's my nephew. He is showing us how everything works. So we got that door there. Yep, yeah, there we go, it works. Baby proof. Okay, we got this one, hoping to get his hands. Just filled with vinyl tools mostly. ¿Abre este? Thing? No? Okay. So it's all on green. All on the inside is painted black. Look at that. Ábrelo. Yep, they're my tools, the only tools that I have. And so here are the boards I make. I did this one like in 2016, all by myself by hand. Only had some pictures of it when I was making it. So yep, I am a big fan of Lana Del Rey. This part right here opens up. Yeah, I'm not gonna open it right now. And here's another board I'm working on right now. It is vinyl wrap, so I'm not that good with carbon fiber. It's got that burgundy color, my favorite color. White pinstripe. Still can't get my hands on some wheels. I don't know what brand of wheels. If you guys can just let me know what would you guys recommend me. And I am gonna try to give away one of these boards once I hit 100 subscribers. Just I'll let you guys know when I will. But yeah, work's done finally. Okay, here we go. Now he wants to open them all. Look at that. All right, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and please, just drop a like, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys on the next one.